There's something really strange going on here. I've got a Game Boy game. Faulty, not working. Now the Pocket works. No problem. But if I put the game in, the Pocket won't switch on. If I take the game back out, the Pocket switches on. Now I know the Pocket does work because I can try a different game. There you go. So it does work. But I've never seen a game where the Pocket won't switch on. So I'm very keen to get this open and find out what's going on with the inside. I hope there's a chip in there. Oh my God. What on earth has somebody done to that? I'll be actually surprised if I can get that working. Dear me. It's a horror show. I think I better switch the soldering iron on. Blimey. That's terrible. Right, gory close-up time. Goodness. Right, let's get some flux on there and see if we can fix it. I've just run over them with a dry soldering iron. They look much better. We'll use a little bit of IPA to clean that up. Right. Let's try that. What do you think? Here we go. Perfect. Is it going to boot up? Yes. Super Mario Land. Start. you go. And we've got audio. Right. Right, so that's it for the video. A nice short one. Someone's scratched in "We Buy" in the bottom there. For some reason. But brilliant. Very happy with that. Hope you enjoyed it. That's a new one for me. Hope to see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.